Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson on how sources of sugar can be found right here in Nebraska.
Now Paula is back with a recipe to share. And Paula, you are making a fun Halloween treat that even young children can make. And this sounds and looks really good.
Yep, this is super simple. I'm trying to keep up with quick and easy ideas this time of year. These are just Nutter butter cookies, and we melt some white chocolate morsels with a little bit of oil just to make it so it's easy to work with. You just dip the Nutter butter in the mix or in the melted chocolate and put it on your sheet, and you can take a fork. I'm going to do it this way so I don't make quite so big of a mess, and just drizzle, and you get your mummy, and then you add eyeballs, just candy eyeballs, and there you go.
So a mummy or a ghost?
You can do a mummy or a ghost. If you decide to dip the whole thing, you can do a ghost. Otherwise, you can have one of those. And you can tin it green and make Frankensteins.
That's good.
The wizard is there. He can't resist that.
The wizard appeared, and we'll be talking to the wizard in a moment. And boy, I'm sure he's enjoying those cookies. And the thing about it, Paula, is these are really easy to make and doesn't take a whole lot of time.
Nope, and you can throw them in the lunchbox with the guys and for the harvest, and it works really good.
Oh, that's a good idea, because the harvest is definitely still rolling.
Yep, we sure are.
I know you play a big role in making sure the lunches get out there to the fields every day, which I think they all appreciate.
They look forward to it, I'm sure.
I had 6 lunch boxes packed this morning, crock pot of chili before I left. Now I'm going to go home and make cinnamon rolls.
Oh boy, that's a lot of work.
A lot of work. It sounds so good, though. I know we have this recipe already posted on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, and it's on my page as well if people want to hop on Facebook and jot those ingredients down. But it looks pretty simple to do.
Yeah, all right. Well, thank you, Paula, for being here today.